I see the fireworks have started, and I was expecting them. I don't like them. Even when I watch them, I don't really care for them. I believe that the power that is behind them is sort of a vitriol of the inability to understand how other people maybe don't like the way you celebrate your holidays. You know, in these times when people seem very desperate to threaten each other and certain automatic and semi automatic um, things are available, when you hear threats against marginalized communities, people of color, people of different races, and people who have different religious beliefs or no religious beliefs, those sounds can seem threatening. I've been a citizen of the United States of America for 56 years. I am a veteran. Please stop making me feel like I have to celebrate your pride, especially when the country that I fought for is so quick to turn against people like me, like you, and the people we love, and the people that mean the most to us. Project 2025 is no joke. Donald Trump supports it. He's going to do whatever they want. He's made it very clear. I think this might be one of my last political posts, but I have to say it. I have decided that I am going to do whatever the Democratic Party wants to do because I want to save democracy, because I fought for democracy, and I don't want to see it go away. I always want to have a choice. You should always want to have choices. Sometimes you only have two, other times there's only one. Vote blue. Vote blue for me and for you.